Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate on the evidence of water stratification in the Holy Quran. The difference in density, temperature, salinity and carbon dioxide concentrations in seas cause water to separate into layers. This phenomenon is called water stratification. Water stratification occurs when water masses and different properties form layers that act as barriers to water mixing, which could lead to anoxia. The different water properties include 1. Salinity, also known as halocline. 2. Oxygenation, also known as chemicline. 3. Density, also known as piscicline. 4. Temperature, also known as thermocline. These layers are normally arranged according to density, with the least dense water masses sitting above the more dense layers. The difference in salinity is one of the factors that separate water into layers. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Holy Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. Quran says in chapter 25 and verse 53, "And it is he who merged the two seas, this one fresh and pure, and that one salty and bitter. And he placed between them a barrier and a boundary." In this verse the Holy Quran correctly described seawater separation caused by difference in salinity. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known about water stratification? Quran surely is a wonderful miracle of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.